Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of algae, and aim of today's practical is study of Anabaena. Anabaena, it is a nitrogen fixing algae. Let us see what we have to do during practical. Let us see the requirement. We need the culture of Anabaena. We need dropper, needle, slide, cover sleeve, blotting paper, watch glass, glycerol and the microscope. During procedure of the practical, what we have to do? Mount the algae in a drop of glycerol and observe under the microscope. This is a temporary slide preparation and we have to note all the details. What we have to write, what we have to observe in the slide of Anabaena is that in observation, we have to write regarding Anabaena. It is a terrestrial algae. Terrestrial algae means that can grow on land, that can grow on wet soil or wet land. Okay. And some species are endophytic. Endo means inner. Endophytic means they grow inside the cells of other higher plants. Such algae, it is described as endophytic algae. Okay. And the Anabaena grow inside the roots of higher plants as a symbiotic relationship is there. Algae helps to the higher plant and higher plants gives protection to this algae. Such type of mutually beneficial relationship, that is known as symbiotic relationship. Okay. And the plant body, that is the alga Anabaena, it is unbranched filament, and mostly the Anabaena filaments occur in clusters, in groups. Okay. The filaments are embedded in mucilage. The many filaments, they held together with the help of sticky substance, that is called mucilage. The cells are half spherical, arranged one above the other. The cells are double walled. The cells are prokaryotic. The nucleus is not well developed. Hence they are prokaryotic. Chloroplast is present, but the pyrenoid is absent. Again, important point. Pyrenoid is absent. The heterocysts are present, which are larger than vegetative cell of the filament. Heterocysts, these are the slightly larger cells. They are present in the filament. The heterocyst, it may be at the end of the filament. If it is at the end of the filament, then its position is terminal. And when the heterocyst occurs between the cells of the filament, that position of heterocyst is described as intercalary position. The heterocyst present at intercalary in position, which is having two polar nodules, and the heterocyst which occurs at the end of the filament, it has only one polar nodule. Okay. A nodule like structure occurs at both the side of the heterocyst. Okay. That is called polar nodule. Okay. The asexual reproduction takes place by formation of akinets. Akinets, these are the spores. The sexual reproduction is not known. Next. This is the photograph of Anabaena. Heterocyst is shown there. Akinete formation are shown here. Akinates, these are the spore modified into spore-like structure, and it is a thick-walled spore. In unfavorable environment, such spores are developed in the filament and they are released in favorable environment. During presence of favorable environment, they grow and develops into a new filament of Anabaena. And this is the classification, which is group algae, division Cyanophyta, class Cyanophyceae, order Nostochales, family Nostochaceae, genus Anabaena. This Anabaena is economically very important. In several in country and out of India, this has been grown in large scale as a biofertilizer because it helps in fixation of nitrogen. Okay.